Jason Clay has only been with CAL FIRE for a little over a year, but he says in that relatively short time with the unit, he sees how anxious people get on red flag days.
The number of phone calls that we've received today from the smoke in the region, from the fires up north, there's a lot of concern.
A lot of those calls probably came from Santa Rosa, where the smoke is the talk of the town tonight. Andrea Nakano spoke with one homeowner there who initially feared the worst.
The smoke brings about health concerns, but for many here in Santa Rosa, it's the smell that instantly raises fears of another fire nearby. The moment Jason Myers left his home Wednesday morning, he immediately thought about the Tufts fire that ripped through Coffey Park.
The sky lit up kind of with the red tinge and the smoke smell, which brings back memories because I'm a fire survivor from here and lost my house in 2017. So yeah, it was a little much. The Santa Rosa Fire Department says its dispatch center has been flooded with 911 calls with residents concerned about another fire nearby. The smoke, though, is drifting from fires near the Oregon-California border.
We kind of looked it up to try to figure out where the fire was coming from, or, if we're in harm's way.
Thick white smoke hovered over much of the North Bay as Sonoma and Marin counties issued an air quality advisory. People are urged to limit outdoor activity, especially for the elderly and those with respiratory health issues.
I'm pretty concerned because I have asthma at times, and my husband also has issues, so that can be a concern for both of us.
Sonoma County officials say the heat can worsen air quality issues. Lydia Viescas is worried nighttime will not bring any relief as people are asked to keep their windows closed.
As it cools off, we're not going to want to have to open the windows up to cool the house up, so that's the big concern with that. We don't have air conditioning, no.
The air quality advisory is expected to last through Thursday. Jason Myers knows the wind will eventually blow the smoke away, but he's worried about those impacted directly by the fire.
Can't help but think about the people and where they're at, and they're going through it, and people in Lahaina. And yeah, it's sad that this seems to be kind of the new world issue, and fires all over the place.
Santa Rosa City Schools says as for sports, the practices were either rescheduled or moved indoors when possible.